Hey there, I'm Luke from Outdoors Domain. We're at the Melbourne Home Show all this weekend, showing off some of our new custom-made Bbq outdoor barbecue kitchens. These are completely outdoor rated barbecue kitchens. They're 100% waterproof. They're made for the Australian conditions and ready to be installed at your place. We've got granite bench tops on this guy, 40mm edges. Our systems use compact laminate doors which are completely rated for outdoor conditions. The internals, we use a patented system where we have aluminium extrusions and PVC compact. Just means that it can be completely washed out with a gurney or a hose. Got a beautiful Gasmate Platinum Barbecue 2 here. This is a premium barbecue by Gasmate. It's a 304 stainless steel, so it's completely, again, outdoor rated. It's got the lights in the hood, which makes it really easy to cook in at overnight time. It's a bit dark outdoors. We've got the LED lights behind the control panels here and electronic ignition, which makes cooking a real breeze and getting the barbecue fired up very, very simple. In this Bbq barbecue kitchen, we've got a Gasmate fridge. We've got water in there today, but usually we prefer beer as a beverage of choice. But that'll keep the beverages nice and chilled. Again, this unit here, we're running all weekend on special. That's $9,999 as a home show special. We've got a couple of other specials on this weekend. We've also got a Fontana pizza oven. These pizza ovens are made in Italy and they are made with a lot of love. They are a premium pizza oven that's wood fired. They use a 304 stainless steel and they are incredibly efficient. They use only a little bit of wood to get going and fire up in about 10 to 15 minutes. They will cook your pizzas beautifully. This here is the Magnifico pizza oven, and this weekend we're doing this unit, including the stand, for $25.99. It's ready to go and it's an absolutely brilliant pizza oven. We've got here next door we've got the flame heater, again by Gasmate. This thing is fantastic. We sell a lot of these units to both restaurants, cafes and punters who are at home looking for both a aesthetic sort of beautiful heater, but also something that puts out a nice bit of heat as well, so you can sort of feel some nice radiant heat coming off that. Really warm and it looks fantastic. At the moment it's sort of set to about medium, so when it's fired up fully the flame runs all the way up the tube and gives a really beautiful effect, particularly of a night time. Here we've got one of our custom-made Bbq outdoor barbecue kitchens. This is the bee's knees, the duck's nuts. We're running with some beautiful decked-on bench tops here. We've got a Beefeater Pro-Line barbecue, which is a premium, again, a premium barbecue by Beefeater. It's a 6-burner barbecue that runs off 4 control knobs, so it's been really well designed and engineered. On this kitchen we've got, again, compact push to open doors and drawers. So we've got a ventilation panel up the top here. And again, a really nice product that's completely ready for the outdoors. Of course, I've got a bar fridge here. No kitchen would be complete without a bar fridge outside, in my humble opinion. Again, this is a product that's been developed and engineered over 2 to 3 years. It's a completely outdoor rated barbecue system that can be designed in any configuration for your home. And depending on your needs, specifications into any sort of a straight, a U-shape, an L-shape, can be configured and built however you want. And it's modular in nature. So if you want a fridge, you get a fridge. You don't want a sink, you know, you can install the appliances that you want and sort of design something that's really as bespoke as you want it to be in your area. Over this way we have our core range of outdoor barbecue kitchens. So again, we use the same patented Bbq cabinetry system. They're completely outdoor, waterproof and rated for the outdoors. Shouldn't have opened that one, that's a bit mucky and messy, but yeah, plenty of storage for all of your needs in terms of loading up, whether you want to use plates and cutlery, store all your barbecue tools. Again, depending on your requirements, we can custom make something to your needs and specifications. This is a Gasmate professional barbecue, 6-burner barbecue, really, really punchy, plenty of power. It's got the glass viewing window, so you can see what you're cooking when you're cooking. So it works really, really beautifully. Again, 6 independent controls, electronic ignition, so it's going to fire up really easily and quickly, and it'll cook food absolutely beautifully. Again, we've got this unit here as a show special this weekend for $58.99, and that includes installation and delivery for this weekend as well. So keep coming around this way. We've got one more I need to show you before you go. This again, an outdoor rated barbecue kitchen, lights on front, everything you need, premium gas made appliances, completely outdoor rated, available in 3 colours, and can be completely designed to your needs and specifications as well. So we've got loads on offer here this weekend. If you want to come on down and say hello or ask us anything, any questions, get a quote, whatever it is, come down and say hello. We'd love to see you soon at the Melbourne Home Show.